if you're in the market for a new Range Rover Sport, trust me, someone who sells a lot of cars, it doesn't come any better than this. D300 Dynamic SE, Santorini Black, the 23-inch wheels, the red brake calipers, sliding roof, cloud interior, premium cabin lighting which is switchable, deployable tow bar, Ghost Immobiliser. This car is fantastic. It's also incredible value for money on a 2023 73 plate. It's only done 3,500 miles. It is a wonderful looking vehicle. And take it for someone as well who owns one of these cars, they drive exceptionally well. There's no other four-wheel drive that I would rather own than one of these right now. Great price point for what you get. Air suspension, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel. This one is fantastic to look at. Full Land Rover Black pack, badging, midsection to the bumper, bottom section. But for me, it's got to be the wheels that sell these cars. Best design, 23, gloss black, red calipers as well, just giving you that lovely contrast between this full black car. And then we have the interior. Light cloud interior, broken up inside between that duotone steering wheel, black top dash, light cloud mid dash. Look at that cabin lighting, which is switchable. This is just a fabulous car, it really is. It gives you everything from power and performance, 300 horsepower, air suspension, really, really good on fuel, these cars as well. Heated rear seats, rear climate control, reclining rear seats, Meridian sound, 360 camera, 3D camera, it comes with everything. But look at this from the back end. The LED lighting looks great, black badging, black midsection. And then we come to a really, really key feature on this particular car. It is located here, a little button. If we press it, out comes the tow bar. I think that's about £2,000 option on one of these cars. We've also got the switchable air suspension from the back, assisted tailgate. So, encompassed into a package, this car really doesn't come any better. It'll have been probably about £96,000 plus when it was brand new. And don't forget, it's only done 3,500 miles on a 73. Balance of Land Rover warranty, pretty much still remaining for 2 and a bit years. A fantastic car. Now then, into the door. Look at this integrated speaker into the door from the Meridian sound system. We also have full electric seats with driver and passenger memory. You can see there we've got the cabin lighting, which you can switch to a multitude of different colours. Then we've got the top dash in light cloud. We've got mid dash in light cloud, but the black dash at the top, really breaking this car up. You'll see the exterior of the steering wheel as well, just to stop it marking, is done in black. The steering wheel is heated. We've got adaptive cruise. We've got switchable dash, obviously for the driver's pleasure. You can either have your navigation, your Bluetooth, your media. These cars come now with wireless smartphone integration, wireless phone charging situated under this screen here. As you can see, air suspension, currently in access height. And then we've got this 360 camera, reverse camera, top view camera, this lovely 3D surround view camera system. And because we've got tow pack on this car, we've also got the towing camera. That's an extra on here. Back into the home screen, if I put it into park, you'll then see we've got navigation, Bluetooth, media integration. Like I say, it's wireless smartphone integration in these cars. Heated front seats, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens. Then look up, black headlining, opening, so tilt and sliding glass roof. For this car, it doesn't come any better. For me, the combination of this light cloud with the black is a real good selling feature, but it is the wheels, the black pack, and then the price point of this car, which means it'll sell pretty quickly. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. If you're interested, then give me a ring, text me, WhatsApp me any time of the day. I'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.